Hi, this is Jonathan Keitano. In this video, I'd like to show you how we solve confined question involving arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So here is the question. The sum of the first 80 terms of an arithmetic progression is 64. If the first, second, and the fifth term of the same AP form the first three terms of a geometric progression, find the sum of the first 5 terms of the GP formed. So to solve this one, first we have to come up with the first AP section. So AP section, we are given first AP. So first AP, if you look at the general term for AP, we say nth term equals A plus bracket n minus 1 D. So this is the coefficient of D. So coefficient of D, which is the common difference, reduces by 1. So if it's first term, this is always denoted by A. And then second term equals 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is A plus D. Then we are given fifth term. So fifth term equals A plus this one minus 1. So it's 4D. Then GP formed is first term A, then A plus D, then A plus 4D. Then in GP, we say that to get the next term, we multiply by common ratio. That means this times common ratio R is equal to this, and this times common ratio R is equal to this one. Then after doing that, we can see that if you take this times this, we get A R, which is A plus D. And if we get this times this, it's like A plus D bracket R equals this one, which is A plus 4D. So to find R from the first equation, this one, this is second, what we do, we divide both sides by A. So it's AR divided by A equals A plus D. And then this one cancels this. R is equal to A plus D. Yes, sorry, over A. So over A. Now, in the second equation, we divide by this one. So second equation, this is equation number 1. Again, second equation is A plus D bracket R. This bracket A plus D is equal to A plus 4D. This over bracket A plus D. Now, this one cancels this. We are remaining with R is equal to A plus 4D over bracket A plus D. This is next equation. Now, if you look at this and this is the method that we use to find common ratio. So this is common ratio, this is common ratio. That means this one is equal to this. So A plus D over A is equal to A plus 4D over A plus D. Now here we can just see cross multiply. Cross multiplication gives this. Then we expand this times this is A square plus AD plus A this D plus D square is equal to A square plus 4D. And then we take all these to left hand side. So taking them gives us this. Then we simplify this. We can see that here is just AD to AD. Then here for AD, going this side becomes this one. And then simplification, this gives us 0. Then this minus this is just 2 negative AD. And then here we plus D square equals 0. Then we can factor out D. So to factor out D, we simply say D equals, here is just D minus 2A. is equal to 0. So to simplify this, you divide by d, d minus 2a equals 0. Then d is just equal to 2a. That means where there is a d, we put this one. But where to put that one? That means we have to generate or to find another equation using the sum. So the question, our previous question, our social question that we are solving says that the sum of the first 8 terms of an arithmetic progression AP is 64. So we are going to find equation for the sum, given that we don't know the first term and the common differences. So the formula that we use is this one. Now to find the sum of the first 8 terms, first 8 terms equals we take 8 over 2 open bracket 2 multiply by a, so a we don't know, plus d bracket 8 minus 1 bracket close bracket. After that we simplify, so sum of 8 terms we are given to be 64. So this one 8 by this is just 4 open bracket, here is 2a, this minus this is 7, then times this is plus 7d times that. Then here we can simplify by dividing both sides by 4, divide by 4. So this into this is 16 equals here is 2a plus 7d. And then we substitute, since we have got d equals 2a, then wherever there is d we put 2a. So 16 is equal to 2a plus 7 bracket 2a, that one. So it's 16 is equal to 2a plus 14a. So this one is 16 is equal to 16 a. So we divide by 16, divide by 16. So 1 is equal to a. So we have found a to be 1. Then let's find d. D we have said is just 2a. So this is just 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2. After that, we can generate the sequence that was formed. Since the sequence is a first term, a plus d, then a plus 4d. After that, we can say, okay, this is first term, which is 1, then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, then 1 plus 4 bracket 2. This one is just equal to, we have 1, 3, and 1 plus 8, which is 9. So this is the sequence that is generated, and the sequence goes on. So the question says that, or specifies that, we should find the sum of the first 5 terms formed of the GP. So since this is our sequence, so to find the sum, we use the formula which says sum of n terms is equal to, so if the common ratio is greater than 1, this is the formula that we use. So a open bracket r to power n minus 1 bracket is over r minus 1, assuming that r is not equal to 1. Then sum of first 5 terms equals, first term is 1 bracket common ratio, we take this divide by this. So common ratio, which is r, is equal to 3 over 1, which is equal to 3, right? So this one is just, we are putting that one here is r, which is 3. Then we take n is just 5, this one minus 1, the whole of this divided by open bracket, here r we have said is 3 minus 1. Then sum of 5 terms equals what? is equal to 1 times 4 of this is just that one. Then we find 3 to power 5, which is equal to 243. So is bracket 243 minus 1, this one over this time minus that is 2. Then sum of 5 times equals this one is 243 minus this, which is equal to 242 over 2. So 242 over 2, you can see that is 121. So sum of 5 times is equal to 121. Sum of the first 5 times is 121. For the sequence that is for the sequence, so you can verify that to say 1, 3, 9. Then next term is this times 3, which is 27. Then 27 times 3, you get 81. 81. So adding these ones, you get 121. Thank you for watching. Bye.